Hey everyone, welcome back. ChatGPT writing has a sound to it. Delve, tapestry. In today's fast-paced world, every sentence the same length, and a neat little summary at the end that nobody asked for. Once you've heard it, you can't unhear it, and so can your boss, your lecturer, and your readers. So here's how to get rid of it. On your phone, without paying for a humanizer tool. Let's get into it. Swipe up to open your apps, tap the search bar, type in ChatGPT, and open it. First, here's the mistake. Most people type "make this sound more human," and that does almost nothing, because human isn't an instruction, it's a vibe. You have to name the specific tells you want removed. So I'm typing, rewrite this so it does not sound AI generated. Vary the sentence length. Cut every buzzword. No delve, no tapestry, no in conclusion. Write it like one person talking to another. And then straight after that, the text I actually want fixed. Now tap send and give it a few seconds and read the difference. The sentences are different lengths now. Some of them are really short, the buzzwords are gone, and it has dropped that summary paragraph at the end. It reads like a person wrote it in one go, because that is literally what you asked for. Now 2 upgrades that make this much better. The first one is to give it your own voice to copy. I'm typing, here is something I wrote, match this style. Then paste a couple of paragraphs of your own writing. Now it's not aiming at generic human, it's aiming at you, and that's a completely different result. And the second upgrade is to set it once and forget it. Open the menu, tap Settings, then Personalization, and in Custom Instructions type, never use corporate buzzwords. Vary my sentence length, and do not add a summary at the end. Tap Save in the top corner, and every single answer from now on comes out that way, without you prompting for it. Just remember, it does not save until you tap Save. So let's recap. Don't ask it to sound human. Tell it exactly what to remove. Vary the sentence length. Cut the buzzwords. Name the words you hate. And tell it to write like one person talking to another. Paste your text under that prompt. Then upgrade it by pasting your own writing and asking it to match your style. And to make it permanent, go to Settings, Personalization, Custom Instructions, and put those rules in there, then tap Save. One last thing, if you're using this for schoolwork or a job application, be honest about it. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.